What's going on, everybody? What it do? Currently looking over the chart real quick. Oh, waiting on one more person to join. We can get into it. I am getting a little under the weather, so that is gonna be a pain. My voice is gonna be very groggy. But we're just trying to see, kind of go over how the week went, and then kind of prepare ourselves for this coming week. I think we have FOMC, economic. So we got nothing Monday, Tuesday, job openings, consumer confidence. Wednesday, ADP, interest rate decision. Okay. Thursday we got jobless claims, PMI, and then I want to say isn't non-farm payrolls. Dang. Yeah, this week is gonna be interesting. Okay. Should be interesting. All right, my bad. I'm back. Hope everybody had a good week so far. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody that's excuse me, has liked and watched our day one of our journey of this trading process. I do appreciate you guys. I think that video has about 2,000 views. I think we just hit 100 subscribers here on YouTube as well. That's a blessing. I do appreciate those that have been following us as well on our other streaming platforms as Twitch and Kick. Appreciate you guys. Big thanks to you guys for sure. Appreciate all the good comments too on YouTube. Last year definitely was a very roller coaster of emotions overall in my trading career. For those that actually know me, I dealt with a lot of different things last year that have been a big factor in my trading, and it showed. Was able to get funded several times, but definitely was in my mental of during the process of trying to get my first payouts on several prop firms, but you know, things happen. This year's definitely, you know, a new step into the right direction. So we're gonna try and do our best to sustain the right mentality and understanding of excuse me, of where we want to be, and you know, hope others grow the same confidence in themselves, to instill into themselves to be able to do the same and take on the same journey. So let's ride to, you know, financial freedom. So let's see where it takes us. So while I wait for my boy to join, I'm gonna eat this sandwich real quick. So if I'm quiet, you guys will know. Alrighty, I'm back. I guess he's doing other stuff, so it's all good. We'll just get this going ourselves. I want to put on some jazz music. Let's do that. Okay. Excuse me. So yeah, again, I'm getting sick. Sucks. But we'll make it work. Alright. So bear with me and my voice. So weekly. Jeez. We have a bullish fair value gap. Excuse me. All right. Let's draw this here so we can remember. Let's do this over again. So we have it. Okay. Daily. Chart looks crazy. And then a couple of days, what was this, the whole trading week? Boom. And then next, it's bounced. Open up and it's bounced. Open article. Whoops. Okay. So this is gonna be our. That was our weekly. Oh crap. Let's do right side. Have that there. This daily looks interesting too. So maybe we see some more pullback into this area down here, this fair value gap, which is our daily. You go into our daily and then excuse me. We go into our daily and then we bounce from there. Maybe because of the data that we get. So maybe what I can assume probably will be is that Asia open, and then Monday we probably have some selling off, which will probably lead us into this bullish fair value gap, like deep into this daily and weekly, and then from there we probably will see a bounce just based off of the news and data that we get on what, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, or Thursday and Friday. So let me mark these highs so that we can know that they're there. Let's call this and This label. Let's put you center. Yeah, what's on the left? Or do we do lefts? So I can see it. Yeah, do left so I can see it. Do middle. Man, I do want the numbers, but I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just keep it as that. Visibility. Boom, boom, boom. And we'll bring it up to like 16. So I can see that. Cool. All right. So 793 and a half will be our all-time highs. So what would be nice to see, because it respected this 4-hour fair value gap. It respected it for sure. For the most part, we can see where it opens in Asia tomorrow and possibly see it come down, which would be nice if we can see it just disrespected. So this would be irrelevant. Like there's a lot of wicks up here. It was a strong move up and then just was choppy, like just a lot of wicks all over here. So kind of at a point where uncertainty of like we see another rise to all-time highs right off the bat, or do we just see a weakness and have it come down, test these fair value gaps, test and probably disrespect, and then have it come in here and respect this? But I would say it would probably have to be somewhere in this area where discount would be like 50%, under 50%, to see it bounce back up for another long. But I'm trying to see where exactly that would be. Would it be would it be here? Let me see. Would it be here? Down here would be that, and then what about this one? Yeah, this would probably be a better one overall to look at. We can get in down here, or we would probably wait for this daily one to hit too. But this weekly one's still relevant, so if we can get either it comes down. Oh, my boy is probably online now. See it come down and probably either disrespect this daily and come down to this daily for a retracement back up, or it just comes down here, bounces up, and then probably a bearish FVG will form on the daily and then have it come back down to test this one. This is what I'm probably going to assume. On the 4-hour, we would probably hope to see it come down, disrespect this 4-hour, come down into these down here, and then just look for a possible entry around these levels to retrace it and go back long, unless it just wants to disrespect it all around. But again, we're in an area of it's just been running up, and with the assumption in the news of them cutting rates this year sometime in July, I think the market really wants to see that, so their expectations are just bull rallies by the dip pretty much. So ideally what we would want to see is down here again, the market to come down here again to rally back up, but that's a lot to ask for because there's like liquidity in both areas here and here. So we gotta wait and see on that one, and then let's go to the 1-hour. Interesting. Yeah, definitely respected that bearish one. What is this, the 1 hour? Yeah, definitely did. Let's see. That was right there, 50%, and then it dropped. That was a great play right there to take a short on the 1 hour. Boom. Right back into this one. That would have been a nice little play to take. A short here, boom, and take that. That would have been 300. Dang, 300 points. I'm gonna have to make some more tea. That would have been a nice little play. That definitely respected it and got into discount on the way down. Look at what this is right here, real quick. So going long here would probably be nice to see, just for the fact that we're already in discount. We're in discount here. So what we would probably want to see tomorrow is take a long. Look for longs, not take a long. Let's look for longs. Look for longs to the upside and see if it retests, if it respects us 1 hour. And if it does, then we can just see it come back down. But if not, if it disrespects, we'll just probably break that to test these highs. If not that, then we could see. We can see. Damn, there's several things that we can look at. Overall, big picture here, we can see that we're not even at discount to take a long again to retest all-time highs. Now we see this thing come down, so we see this retrace to come down, to come back in here, then yeah, we can look for discount to take longs. Short term, we can look for a bounce and then see if it retraces and comes down, but it would have to be strong selling power in just this area alone or this area alone for us to see it come down. But at the same time, if I'm not mistaken, from what I recall from all the times of trading options back in the day, when it comes down to like earnings, because there's earnings reports that we're dealing with this week coming up that are pretty big in the overall market, which can impact certain moves overall. So we got to keep that in mind. So if those earnings reports leading up to Thursday and Friday, if we see a lot of sell-off, bad earnings reports, we can see the market come down. But at the same time, if we see good, we're just gonna see it bounce. So that's the only thing that I have to keep into consideration when it comes down to it. That if we hear that these, let me look what companies are reporting. Calendar News Whisper. Oh. Calendar, thank you for week. It's not gonna show me. Oh, it's not free. Got you. Whoops. Whoops. Everything's calendar this week. Let's see. Let's see. Is this gonna show me? That's 728. Can I just do by the week instead of by the day? Okay, so what's that? Monday. Tuesday. Cisco, JetBlue, healthcare. Polaris. Excuse me. Samsung Energy or Electronics. Capcom. I don't know they had that. Alright. Silicon. I feel like I'm not really getting what I'm asking for. So Google has their earnings. Google has their earnings on Tuesday. Okay. Starbucks, interesting. JP Morgan has theirs. As my do not disturb. It's on DND. Okay. Right. General Motors. Interesting. So Google's probably the big standout that I've seen so far. On Tuesday. Wednesday we have another Google's earnings. Boeing has theirs. Interesting. That might not be good for them. We could be mistaken. Who knows? Damn, Bitcoin just went up $2,000. We were just at 40,000. All right, see, player. Let's see. Nothing crazy. MasterCard. Okay. Thursday. Apple. Oh. Amazon. Oh. Capricorn. Interesting. Clorox. Okay. Honeywell. Nice. I used to trade Honeywell back in the day. Good times. Let's see. Is that it? There's more. Should be an interesting week. Should be a very interesting week when it comes to earnings. All right. So that kind of, with that in mind, we got to keep that, be aware of that for sure. So bad earnings, we can definitely see a fall in the market until we get to probably Thursday. But we have data coming in from, I want to say Tuesday to Friday, but I think the main ones will be Wednesday and Thursday, and then I think Friday as well. So that should be interesting to keep an eye out for. So yeah, my assumption would probably be us kind of bounce here, test these fair value gaps, these bearish fair value gaps, and probably see some retracements coming down. Oh, we still are in this 1 hour though. Jeez, I just realized that too. So yeah, I think we could probably see it pop up and then see a fall. Like honestly, I would love to see it just come down for a better overall position to go long again. See a 30-minute here. So yeah, there is a lot of bearish fair value gaps in the shorter time frame. We could probably see it respected since we're still in discount. Take these long, break through these small ones here, and then probably just try and get up here again and then see it come down. Would be nice to see. Yeah, there's a lot of short time frame. We see a lot of bearish fair value gaps. So we take these longs to break through them, test them and break through, then yeah, we could see us back to where we were looking at in our 4 hour. Actually, there's not even any bullish up here, it's just bearish. Jeez, bearish all around here. Bearish. Yeah, it's just bearish. That's where my assumption would be, is just to test these longs and find a proper area where you can see it just reject and come down. Because I would love to see this thing come down. Or I would not test longs, I would just wait to see if we just get a continuation to the downside and then just try to find an entry on those shorts and just take it down until we get to an area of support, as they say, and then take those longs and kind of just test that. But again, ideally we would want to be in discount down here. Well, we're already in discount long up here, but if we can get somewhere down here, this area down here, this would be great. What was yesterday? Yesterday was the 26th. 26. Let's go to the 5-minute here. 26. look at what time I was trading it. This is New York, right? So I have to look at 30, right? We took a trade before that, so it would have been like 8ish. Data came out, and this happened. Okay, so when data came out yesterday, I tried to take a long, like around here, and got stopped out. And then tried to take a short somewhere here and got pushed up and stopped out. And then I think I went long, but didn't hold for too long. And then I had set an order for a long somewhere around here and got stopped out on my long because I was trying to set it before I went to work and to go long, but it just got stopped out. I had blew one of my Apex accounts doing that. The day before, I was trading around here. So technically it was Thursday. I don't know. It was Thursday. What? For some reason. Let me go Los Angeles real quick so I can remember these time frames correctly. So it was somewhere around here. Can't remember. I tried to take a long on NQ, and I had got pulled back on, but it bounced. I think it was something like around here. No, it was like around here. Yeah, it was like here, if I'm not mistaken. And it just ripped. And I was so salty because I got stopped out on a move that I saw coming. Like I saw that we were gonna go up, but it literally just pulled back on me. And like right when it wicked me, it bounced. And I was like, no way. And then I had my daily loss limit. I was like, no. But it's all good. But then I found out there were some issues with Rhythmic, and I didn't really realize that until someone brought that up, and they was like, "Yeah, Rhythmic's having issues right now." So I had reached out to Top Step, but I'm not really getting any answers and information that I need, so or want to hear, I guess. So I guess we'll just have to start all over again. At least I didn't blow my account. I just hit my daily loss limit, but I'm still above my threshold of where I started. So Monday, we'll look at how the market moves tomorrow during Asia. I won't take a trade. I'll try my best not to take a trade, but we'll look through how the market is moving during Asia and see if we are correct on if it starts to move to the upside or to the downside. I think it's going to probably move to the upside and kind of try and test these bearish for value gaps. And then from there, we could possibly see maybe test these highs or just reject around one of these last fair value gaps, these bearish fair value gaps. I've noticed that during Asia, it's moved in ways that we usually don't see Asia move, which is weird overall. But yeah, we'll probably take a longs. I would personally me, I would look for longs to see if they disrespect these, and then because I remember last week we were looking at how the market was coming down, but it was disrespecting all the bullish fair value gaps, and it was at the last like 1 minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, it bounced. The market just literally bounced from there, and I want to see where it was at. It was somewhere like, I want to say it might have been here. There was like a bullish fair value gap somewhere. It was weird. It was like on the 1 minute too, and it just like literally bounced from there. Was it Tuesday or was it Monday? Oops. I don't remember where it was at. Sorry, chat. But it was just crazy to see it because I was just like, yo, like the market literally just did something crazy. Like, what just happened? Weekly. That's what we need to look at weekly because I think I messed myself up. Oh, there we go. But yeah. So yeah, I just want to see how Asia opens up and starts to move, and then from there we can probably see it just figure itself out and kind of get a little idea of where we can expect the market to overall. It's crazy. Those flags. Boom, boom, boom. Just strength here. That's my strong hand. Like literally just ripped each time. So now we're at a point where we've seen equal highs. So yeah, I would look to see if it respects this and bounces. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. I will in the stream here. I'm gonna be back on charting once my boy gets on and hits me up. We'll probably get back on here and get a better technical analysis on everything, better viewpoint on everything, and what to kind of expect for next week. So that should be better than what I just did. For those that are on Twitch and Kick, I'll probably just hop on some video games for a little bit, chillax, play a little Halo, and then be back with more information on everything that's going on, what to expect for next week. So that should be cool. Do appreciate everybody again. For those that have liked the videos, watched our videos, joined the Discord, so I appreciate everybody. And those that clicked the affiliate links and used the affiliate links, I do appreciate you guys as well on that as along with that as well. With that being said, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. If I don't go live today, I will be back on tomorrow during Asia session. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Other than that, peace out, stay black, make good choices.